Welcome to Throwback Thursday, my first edition. On the third Thursday of every month, I take you down memories lane and walk you through some of the lessons learned over my entire journey. Essentially, what I've learned along the path of building a physical AI company. It's not sexy, but it's where I started. Back in 2017 and 18, I was picking up bags of laundry and trying to figure out how to manage a growing operation. I learned how to create an incoming log, tracking every customer, every bag, and every delivery. Then I created a weight log because I needed to understand how much laundry was actually moving through the entire business. Sometimes the entire system was nothing more than a handwritten calculation on a sticky note. At the time, I wasn't thinking about building software. I didn't even understand what the bigger problem would become. I was simply trying to make the work visible. Looking back, those paper logs were the beginning of Laundris. Before the technology, the data, and the AI, it started with a pen, some paper, and a problem that needed solving. Then I started visiting customers and learning more about this industry in order to help me to build the software. And that's my throwback for today. I appreciate you wanting to learn more about my journey and what I started. Thank you.